So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to show the actual progress bar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Hany Ismail from Planning Engineer website. Sometimes when we do the updates, we cannot see the actual progress bar. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to show the actual progress bar, especially when you summarize your program into certain WBS level. So simply here, we have updated schedule. We can see the remaining activity, but we cannot see the actual activity. To show the actual progress, simply right click bars, and from the actual work, click display. If you did this and click OK, you will see the actual progress in the activities. Let me expand all like this, but you will not see it when collapsed. What I mean by when collapsed, if I collapse the schedule into level 3, I still cannot see the actual bars. To fix this one, simply I'll go to bars again, and the actual works, I'll go to the bar settings and I'll check show bar when collapsed. Now I can see the actual work done during the activity level, or if I collapse it to a certain WBS level. By the way, this is applicable also for the baseline. If you check here that the baseline schedule, you have here in the bar settings the show bar when collapsed. If you uncheck this one and you wondering why you cannot see your baseline schedule bars while you are collapsing the schedule, because you are not activating this option. Again, to show it, you go to bars, and here in the baseline, be sure that show bar when collapsed. Now you can see that the schedule is shown in the activity level and the summary level. If you'd like to download a PDF version of this video, you will find the link below. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.